Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today we have a new action camera to unbox and review on my desk. It's the VCam V100 action camera. Now this is a 4K action camera that's available on Amazon India. You can see a picture of that here. I've got the silver color model. Let's check out its features. It can shoot in 4K at 30 frames per second, can take photos in 16 megapixels, comes with a 30-meter waterproof case, has Wi-Fi support, and also this camera has electronic image stabilization on it. You've got the VCam branding here. Let's see what else is written on the box. You've got the specs at the back side. The max resolution it can shoot is 4K at 30 frames per second. It also supports time-lapse. This camera comes with a 30-meter waterproof case and has a 900 mAh lithium-ion battery. So these were its specs. Let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank VCam for sending me this product for review purpose. Let's open the box and check it out. So here is the VCam V100 4K action camera. It comes in this case guys. We'll just check it out in a moment. Let's first see what else we got in the box. We have an extra back door for the case, few straps, a cleaning cloth, a bike mount, a USB cable for charging and data transfer, few mounts and attachments, more type of mounts and clips, helmet bases, few stickers, a mounting frame for the camera, and a user manual. Now make sure to read it as it has complete info on the product. So these were all the items we got in the package. Let's check out the camera. The VCam V100 comes in this 30-meter waterproof case. The build quality of the case looks good. Let's open it and take the camera out. So the case opens up like this, and here is the camera. So here is the VCam 4K action cam. Looks nice in silver color. Let me peel the sticker on the lens. It has a 170-degree wide-angle lens. You've got the VCam branding here. It says 4K 30 FPS Wi-Fi and the model is V100. And beside that you've got the power button that is also used to access the menu. On the right side you've got the speaker, up and down menu navigation buttons. This camera has a 2-inch LCD display at the back. Let me peel the sticker. There is no touchscreen on it. And over here you've got 2 LED status indicators. On the left side you've got a micro SD card slot, a micro USB port, and a HDMI port. At the top you've just got an OK button and one more LED indicator. This is how the bottom looks like. You've got the battery compartment here. Let me just open it and show you the battery. It comes with a 900 mAh lithium-ion battery. So that was our overview on this camera. Let's power it on and see if it's got some juice in it. You need to press and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds to switch it on. Okay, looks like the battery is down. No problem, I'll just charge it and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back. I've fully charged the camera. Let's power it on and check out the menu and the interface. So this is how the camera's interface looks like. It shows you the current resolution, Wi-Fi status, battery level, date and the recording time. You can access different modes by pressing the power button. This is photo mode, slow motion mode, gallery, and settings. Let's check out the settings. These are the video settings. You can shoot videos in almost all the resolutions from 4K to all the way down to 720p. It also supports time-lapse, loop recording, motion detection, and also has different field of view settings. In the photo settings you can change the resolutions. It's right now set to 16 megapixels. These are the camera settings which includes the exposure, white balance, Wi-Fi, light frequency, auto shutdown, and you've also got some general settings over here. So that was about the menu and the interface. Now let's go out, shoot some samples and check out the quality. This is a video sample shot in 1080p at 60 fps. The camera has electronic image stabilization turned on by default. The video quality was average. The colors and the white balance was good, but the dynamic range was less. Also, I felt the video looked a bit over sharpened. The EIS was performing okay, but it's not the best I've seen. The bitrate in 1080p was around 30 Mbps, but I still felt there was a lot of compression in the video. Just have a look at this sample. This video clip was shot in 2.7K at 30 FPS. The video quality is much better than in 1080p. The colors, the sharpness, all were good in this mode, and I felt this was the best mode to shoot videos on this camera. These are few more samples shot in 2.7K resolution. Just check them out. Now let's see how it shoots in 4K. This video was shot in 4K resolution. The quality was okay, but the video was a bit jerky. I think that's because it has a variable frame rate in this mode. And also guys, this action cam does not shoot true 4K, it shoots interpolated 4K video. Just have a look at this sample. It can also shoot in slow motion at 720p, but the quality was below average. By looking at the video, you can tell it doesn't look like 720p. I guess it was shooting somewhere around 240 or 360p. Alright guys, now let's test the microphone on the VCam V100. Hello, check 1 2 3. Microphone test on the VCam V100. We are shooting this video right now in 2.7K 30 frames per second. It's evening now and the weather is quite nice. So what do you think about the quality of the microphone? Do let me know in the comment section down below. Now let's test the electronic image stabilization on this camera. I'm walking past the street normally and I can definitely see shake in the video. The EIS performance was average and could have been better. Now let's test the low light performance. This video was shot in 2.7K at 30 FPS. The low light performance was good, but you can see some noise in the video. Let me tell you about the battery life. It has a 900 mAh battery and the battery life was decent. I was getting about 50 minutes of battery life on a single charge when shooting in 2.7K mode. Let's check out some photos shot on this camera. The photos turned out to be good. The detail was nice, the color rendition was good, but you'll see some barrel distortion in the photos due to that 170° wide angle lens. So that was my review on the VCam V100 4K action camera. The build quality of this camera is good, the video quality was average, it could have been better considering the price, and the battery life was also decent. It cost about 6,000 rupees and I felt it was a bit expensive considering the performance it was offering. The price could have been lower. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below, you can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.